fortress without a banister.
Dad! 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 Almost there, Dad. Hey, look! Funny pages from 1916. Oh, the catch and jammer hits. Let's see. They're putting their dad in a barrel and rolling it down a steep hill. And now he's injured. Wow. That's not funny. I guess comedy's really evolved. Thanks, Harvard.
And that's where babies come from.
Look out, Dad! Can't believe there's lava under Washington, D.C.
Where do you think all the hot air comes from?
Dad, there it is!
Can't reach it. Steve, I'll help you up. Moving This isn't the jar of proof. He switched them on me. Steve!
It's over, boy. Give me the job.
President Jimmy Carter?
That's right. The second President Peter.
You didn't tell me you were part of the Illuminati.
Steve, that's crazy. I was never gonna tell you.
All this time I thought I was proving I was so grown up. You just saw me as a stupid kid you could use to find your precious jar of proof.
Precious indeed. Without this secret, our young nation would have never survived.
Steve, before I grow up, you'll understand why we have to destroy it. The truth would tear this country apart.
Maybe back then, but America's a big boy now, and so am I. We can handle the truth, whether it's about bedtime or black people.
You know, give me the job and let's be done with this.
Dad, don't do it!
Trust me, son. I'm doing the grown-up thing here.
And so the safety of our nation will forever be ensured. God bless America!
Let's get out of here.
Wow, Dad, you switched jars on him. That was so awesome.
Well, I learned it from you. I guess maybe you are all grown up.
Thanks, Dad.
Now, come on. We've got some truth to spread.
Wait, that's the wrong jar.
What? That's impossible.
Oh, you made the switch. What happened?
Oh, I had to make the switch? I thought it was like a magic backpack or something.
No, it wasn't. Now the world will never know the truth.
Maybe there was a place where you could make any outrageous claim you want with absolutely no proof, and millions of people would accept it as fact.
That's it. Thanks for taking that block off the internet, Dad.
Well, you're a young man now. You're ready for everything the internet has to offer. Even more.
Wow.